We are here on day 2 of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Transformations 2023 People, Quality and Technology Expo.
Come on down to the Expo.
Yeah! Day 1 was a blast with the kids. We also had our opening ceremony featuring the most honorable Andrew Olness, our Prime Minister.
And it is clear that the JCF is striving always to improve its quality.
The Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Security, the Honorable Horace Chang.
It's a clear indication of the advances we have made in modernizing, digitizing and transforming the force for good into a technology-driven 21st century police.
And also our Commissioner of Police, Major General Anthony Anderson.
It's important that we had a mechanism to allow our public to come in, interact with our people.
We were really surprised at the early turnout as we expected things to build during the course of the day, but we were off to a really great start.
My favorite part was when I was on the boat and I had the thing on my face and I had the things in my hand.
I'm telling you, it is something that you want to come on down and look at. You'll get to see the wonderful things that the JCF is doing. There's a lot of information to be shared.
My experience here at the JCF Expo has been awesome and very informative. I love the SWAT team.
It's been an excellent experience. I've been able to, gain a lot more knowledge about what the JCF entails. Some stuff that I didn't really know about.
Thank God for Jesus, the band is ready because I couldn't sing a word.
What I've seen and the interaction that I've had with some of the persons is that they are now seeing some of the things that they were not aware of, and they never knew that we were so developed in terms of our technological advancement, in terms of the quality people.
This expo I believe is very informative. The technology that a lot of us are not aware of that the JCF has in its capacity to solve crime. My favorite discovery is the archive system there, whereas you can see cameras all over the island.
My favorite part of this expo has to be surrounding the tech and the new instruments and technology that is being used by the JCF.
On Sunday, Mother's Day, come in, all the mommies. Take your mommy, come and have a treat with us. Come and relax, see your JCF in work for you.
This expo is, I would say, is more successful than we had anticipated.
We're asking you to come on down, bring your friends, your family, come and experience how the JCF is transforming to serve you better.